Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
Okay, the holiday weekend is just about upon us, and of course we're expecting those temperatures to go up, but we're also looking a little bit farther down the road, aren't we, Ivan?
Yeah, we are. Today, NOAA released their forecast for the hurricane season coming up in 2024, and we're all over this here. They've never, forecasted this many storms, this many named storms. We don't have to do anything differently. We just have to get ready and prepare now. Doesn't mean just because we get, 17 to 25 storms that we're going to get hit here, but the chances obviously go up as you get more storms are getting going in the Atlantic. So let's talk about the things that are going to be, playing a role here. But first, I want you to notice this, and you'll be hearing about this 10% chance of this disturbance here getting going, but it's moving in the opposite direction. It has about a 10% chance in that window that you see in yellow there for additional development, but that's going to head up to the north and east. So there's the forecast from NOAA, 17 to 25 storms. On the low end, that's already above the average, which is what we get on a typical year, 14 storms. Half of those become hurricanes and 3 become intense hurricanes. This is the key as well. Not just 8 to 13 hurricanes, but because of the water temperatures out there, 4 to 7 of them Cat 3 or higher. That is a huge deal, and that is definitely related to climate change. As we continue to pump CO2 into the atmosphere, the ocean is what is absorbing all of that extra CO2, and it holds it as like a heat sink, right? And so all of a sudden, these water temperatures are at record levels that we haven't seen. This was the case last year. But last year, we had an assist from the opposite of what's going on in the Eastern Pacific. We had an El Nino. This year, we're forecasting the opposite. It's a La Nina. That is colder Eastern Pacific waters. And what that means for you and me is that it favors very friendly conditions for hurricanes to develop. So say cluster of thunderstorms tries to get going. Well, if you have strong, hostile upper level winds, they literally just chop off the thunderstorms and they can't get going. That saved us in the Caribbean. Didn't have much action last year. This year, we're not expecting that. In fact, we're expecting things to be calm. And so this is one area we're going to be watching, unlike last year, for more development as these tropical waves, tend to get going here. And some hurricanes, a lot of them, obviously from Cabo Verde, those are the ones that become hurricanes from that cluster of tropical waves. And then we talk about, of course, the temperatures as well. So again, we'll get rid of this 10%. That's just something, for today. Look at the wind shear out here. It is going to disturb anything out there. So we're obviously forecasting a busy season because conditions will become more favorable. They are not right now. Those are hostile winds for anything to get going. On top of that, we're going to throw some dust at these storms, so we're not expecting anything to come out of it. All right, let's check in on your local forecast because we've got a big holiday weekend coming up. Temperatures are in the 80s right now. We'll have numbers in the 90s. Boy, look at how empty the forecast is here in the radar and clouds. There's not much out there because we have a big ridge of high pressure that's dominating our weather pattern. That disturbance, by the way, in the tropics coming out of this little trough that has dug in across the southeast. But as I mentioned, that's not going to bother us at all. So here's the forecast heading into the upcoming holiday weekend. Temperatures going well above average. We're looking at low to mid 90s, but we're going to do that with mostly sunny skies. I don't think we'll have much in the way of rainfall at all. Coverage only at about 10%. That includes the holiday, with temps continuing into the 90s, getting you right into next week. And of course, for our big hurricane special next Thursday at 7.